Welcome to Scholar Space. Students, let us discuss some important MCQs of chemical reaction and equation. Question number 1. The chemical formula of lead sulfate is, tell, which is the formula? C. PbSO4. Second option. Which information is not conveyed by a balanced chemical equation? Physical states of reactants and products, symbols and formula of all the substances involved in a particular reaction, number of atoms, molecules of the reactants and products formed, and whether a particular reaction is actually feasible or not. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is whether a particular reaction is actually feasible or not. Now, question 3. Chemically rust is hydrated ferrous oxide, only ferric oxide, hydrated ferric oxide, yeah, none of these. The answer is hydrated ferric oxide. Next, both CO2 and H2 gases are heavier than air, colorless, acidic in nature, or soluble in water. The answer is colorless. Which of the following gases can be used for storage of fresh sample of an oil for a long time? Option A, carbon dioxide or oxygen. B, nitrogen or helium. C, helium or oxygen. D, nitrogen or oxygen. The correct answer is nitrogen or helium. The electrolytic decomposition of water gives hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio of 1:2 by volume, 2:1 by volume, 8:1 by mass, 1:2 by mass. The correct answer is 2:1 by volume. The next question. In the decomposition of lead second nitrate to give lead second oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas, the coefficient of nitrogen dioxide in the balanced equation is 1, 2, 3 or 4. The answer is 4. Fatty foods become rancid due to the process of oxidation, corrosion, reduction or hydrogenation. What is the answer? Answer is oxidation. Next question. We store silver chloride in a dark colored bottle because it is a white solid undergoes redox reaction to avoid action by sunlight or none of the above. So the answer is to avoid action by sunlight. Next question. Silver articles turns black when kept in the open for a few days due to formation of H2S, AgS, AgSO4, Ag2S. बताइए क्या है जवाब इसका? Correct answer is Ag2S. Next, when crystals of lead nitrate are heated strongly in a dry test tube, crystal immediately melt, a brown residue is left, white fumes appears in the tube, or a yellow residue is left. What is the answer? The answer is a brown residue is left. Next, dilute hydrochloric acid is added to granulated zinc taken in a test tube. The following observations are recorded. Point out the correct observation. The surface of metal becomes shiny. The reaction mixtures turn milky. Odor of pungent smelling gas is recorded. Or a colorless and odorless gas is evolved. What is the answer? The correct answer is a colorless and odorless gas is evolved. एक रंगहीन और गंधहीन गैस निकलती है. Next, when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, calcium hydroxide is formed, white precipitate of CaO is formed, lime water turns milky, color of lime water disappear. So what is the correct answer? Lime water turns milky. ये एक छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट आप अपने घर पर भी कर सकते हैं बच्चों. आप जो पान में जो चूना खाते हैं उसको पानी में घोल लीजिए और एक स्ट्रॉ की मदद से उसे कांच के गिलास में ले लीजिए उस पानी को और एक स्ट्रॉ की मदद से उसको ब्लो कीजिए. तब आपको उसे लाइम कलर में आपको वो मिल्की वाइट आपको दिखाई देगा. When a magnesium ribbon is burnt in air, the ash formed is black, white, yellow or pink. The correct answer is white. In which of the following heat energy will be evolved? Electrolysis of water, dissolution of NH4Cl in water, burning of LPG, decomposition of AgBr in the presence of sunlight. So what is the correct answer? Burning of LPG. Rancidity can be prevented by adding antioxidants, storing food away from light, keeping food in refrigerator, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. You can opt any one option from this. The next, the reaction of hydrogen gas with oxygen gas to form water is an example of combination reaction, redox reaction, exothermic reaction and all of these reactions. So what is the answer? Combination reaction. Next, the reaction in which two compounds exchange their ions to form two new compounds is called displacement reaction, combination reaction, double displacement reaction या redox reaction. What is the answer? टू कंपाउंड. बच्चों आप यहां से इसको याद कर सकते हैं, डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. नेक्स्ट, ऑन immersing an iron nail in CuSO4 solution for few minutes, you will observe no reaction takes place, the color of solution fades away, the surface of iron nails acquire a black coating, the color of solution changes to green. So what is the answer? The answer is the color of solution changes to green. Next, an element X on exposure to moist air turns reddish brown and a new compound Y is formed. The substance X and Y are. Tell the answer. X बराबर Fe या Y is equal to Fe2O3, X is equal to Ag और Y is equal to Ag2S और X is equal to Cu, Y is equal to CuO और X is equal to Al और Y is equal to Al2O3. What is the answer? The answer is X Fe and Y Fe2O3. So the answer is option A. तो बच्चों अगर आपको अभी भी कुछ आपको लगा हो कि आपका एक सवाल गलत था या दो गलत थे तो आप दोबारा से इसको देख सकते हैं और याद कर सकते हैं. Stay fit, stay healthy, have a nice day.